Hey guys, this is gonna be a quick bike check of my bike. It's a Sunday, and I'm gonna start out at I'll start out from the front to the back. Odyssey double space bars. Odyssey brake lever, ODI grips, ODI bar ends, Sunday white free stem, painted top cap, Sunday forks, Odyssey front hub, Odyssey tires, Odyssey quadrant rims, and Ross tires, tan wall. I bought blue valve cap, Shadow Conspiracy peg, Sunday frame. It's a good frame. I love the geometry. Thunderbolt cranks in the orange to match the frame. Dance Club sticker. Big frame scratch from Feeble Grinds. Shadow Conspiracy peg, G-Sport hub guard, Odyssey hub and quadrant rim with Odyssey and Ross tire, Odyssey and Ross seat, and Odyssey seat post and Sunday seat clamp, Odyssey twisted PC pedals, Sunday Sabertooth sprocket, and Odyssey brakes. And the front hub's a Knight hub guard. It's aluminum, and the back one's plastic. And that's my bike check. If you have any questions, please post it in the comments below.